Hey guys, what's up MNS squad? This is your girl Mariam here. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am about to make some hibiscus juice, like a Jamaican hibiscus juice. Some people call it sorrel. I am rinsing it right now. This hibiscus is from Africa. My mother-in-law brought it for me, and yeah, in Africa we use it too. We make it as a juice and then drink it. As you can see, I'm putting water. So yeah, that's mine in there in the plastic bag. I didn't put it in the container. I thought it would be okay for me to just wrap it up in the plastic bag like that. And yeah, it's dry. And so yeah, as you can see, it's in the pot. So I'm just rinsing this for like 2-3 times at least, because you don't know what can be in this thing because it's dry. So I want to make sure it's really clean, ready to be boiled and drink later on. So I'm gonna be rinsing this for like a few times and then boil it. Just stay tuned. So you guys, I have added my desired water on this leaf, so it's on the stove ready to be boiled. So here we're gonna let it boil for like 20 to 30 minutes. So you guys, this is 30 minutes later. I'm gonna turn off the stove now and let it cool down for about another 10-15 minutes. So yeah, this is 15 minutes later. I can still see the steam. It's still hot, but it's okay. And that strainer over there, I used to use that, but it will still leave those little things in the juice. So because it's not too thin and I don't want to use it this time, and I have a wash nice cloth over there on the bucket. That's the bucket that I'm using. So I'm gonna pour the juice in there. You guys, I cut my finger. It was hurting me, but I had to finish doing what I was doing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just keep on watching and see what will come next. Alright y'all, here I'm about to show y'all the ingredients I'm about to use with this drink. This is Zuko. It's a strawberry flavoring powder, and you can find this in any supermarket. I bought this in our local supermarket, and this powder is very good. It's strawberry, and I have a strawberry flavoring liquid. It's not oil, it's just strawberry flavoring liquid. You can find this in any African supermarket. That's where I bought mine, but you can go to any grocery store where they have like bakery stuff, and then you find yourself some flavoring liquid. And this is fleur d'orange. I don't know how they call this in English, but you can find that in any African supermarket. This one also is pineapple flavoring liquid. So you guys, that is my sugar container. So I'm gonna use sugar in this drink. You don't really have to if you don't want this drink to be sweet. If you try to detox your system, this Zuko already has sugar in it. When you use it with this drink, it will sweeten your drink already. So I'm using that, just 1 pack. And then after that, I'm gonna use my strawberry flavoring liquid. I wanted to use like a half because that one is new, but I ended up putting the whole thing in the drink. So yeah, after that, I'm gonna use my pineapple liquid flavoring liquid. I'm gonna be using that one is just half in it. It was not filled, so I'm gonna be using the whole bottle, and then add my sugar just a little bit and then mix the drink. So that's it. You don't really have to do much with this drink. It's really simple. It doesn't take much of your time, and it's very refreshing. Once you finish doing that, this is what I do. Okay, I will put my fleur d'orange. Like I said, I don't know the name of this. I don't know how they call it in English, but listen, you want these things, go to the African supermarket near you and you will find all these ingredients that I'm using here. That is my, I think, spatula. Okay, I'm going to mix this drink with that, and then after that I'm gonna put it into something that I can put in the refrigerator and then put the rest in the freezer. That's how I do it usually. So that's what I'm about to do. It's Ramadan and I'm gonna leave some of this drink in the refrigerator and then put the rest in the freezer. Yeah, once I put that in the freezer, it will stay in there. If we need it, we will take it and then drink it. Listen, I am enjoying mixing this right now. I can't wait. That's my husband helping me. Thanks, Will. So here are my drinks. That big one is going into the refrigerator. That's what we're going to be drinking tonight after the iftar dinner, and the little one over there is going in the freezer. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Bye. See you guys in the next video.